It's just amazing what we could do for people. Hi, my name is Hassan Sida. I'm the Senior Operation Manager. We're here today with our HARRI bus, which is behind me, which is Health Advice, Recovery, Resilience Information. I think the beauty of HARRI bus is a health and well-being. So if you see on the table today, it's not just about mental health. It's not just about one services saying, come here, we do this. It's us saying, we're here for you. We're putting the patient in the center and helping that person. So would it be housing, would it be job, would it be benefits, would it be everything? Because they all interlink, and that's how we want to support people, that we put in the center, and service is going to work around you, and what's important to you, not important to us, and help you what you want. One of the importance I've noticed with the HARRI van is speaking to elderly people. They miss that connection, speaking to people. They're not used to speaking to a laptop or a phone, but they miss that connection. And being out, I think that's something they could relate to and come back and ask questions. It's amazing to have our partners coming down with us and talking about the health and well-being to local people.
My name's Paul McConnell and I'm the Chair of South West Lancashire Independent Community Advice Network. This is the second time we've worked with HARRI bus. We have had a lot of people stopping by, taking our leaflets, asking various things about the work we do. So yeah, it's always important to do that little bit of outreach, especially in the current climate. The more partnerships we develop, the stronger ICANN becomes itself.
So my name's Sarah Brogan. I'm a PWP, which stands for Psychological Wellbeing Practitioner. We do work with the HARRI bus quite a lot. Obviously they travel around different places as well, so we tend to catch them as soon as they're sort of within our area. A lot of it can be just providing that information for people, really, making them aware, because I think even minds matter. We get a lot of people who phone in who are not aware of what we do, how we can help them. They're also not aware of other services out there that can be useful to them as well. The reason why we work with the HARRI bus is we can collaborate with them to do that, and we can show them exactly what we offer, and then they're best, you know, sort of, if someone comes to the HARRI bus, they know what we do then. So it's really good that we have that collaboration there.
The magic tree, I like to call it, is really useful, especially when you go out in the community. If you see the one we've got currently inside, that's the one we did when we were in Kendal. And if you see, a lot of people talk about health and well-being. What we noticed recently, especially now because of COVID, people have anxiety, stress, and not quite sure where to go to. It's just amazing what we could do for people, and just being there at the right time.